Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today we're going to be doing a DIY rustic candle holder. And the things you're going to need are, you're going to need your glue gun and glue sticks. You're going to want to use a tea light candle for this, for safety reasons. You're going to need a clear glass candle holder. It can be a square or a circle shape. And you're going to need some dry sticks or twigs. So we're going to be taking our twigs and we're just going to kind of measure out about how long you want them, and we're going to be gluing them all the way around the candle holder. So I'm just going to snap it into pieces, and if you want, you can just kind of use your first one as your guide to break the other ones. And they don't need to all be the same size. It's actually probably would look better if they're all different thicknesses, like some skinny ones and some thicker ones, and you know, just a little bit difference in length. So you just want to break off the little extra pieces, so you just want them to be like the straight sticks. Pull off these little extras. Down here. So I'm going to go ahead and just break mine up in a bunch of pieces, and I will be back. Okay, so now that I have a little pile of sticks, I'm going to go ahead and just start gluing them on. Doesn't have to be any particular rhyme or reason, just however you want it to look. So I'm just going to lay it on its side. Put on some glue. And start gluing. Okay, so I think this side is done, and I'm just gonna go all the way around and I will come back. Okay guys, now that I have made a huge mess of my kitchen and got sticks everywhere, I think I am done. So I just, like I said, I just continue to glue the sticks all the way around. And there is that. I still need to pick up some of the little glue strings. I did want to mention, if you can find some of the little skinny sticks, like if you have a bunch of bigger sticks, it might help to have some like little skinny ones as fillers. I'm trying to see if I could find, like this one was like a little skinny filler, like if there's kind of a bigger gap, if you can find little skinny ones to kind of stick in there to fill it in when the bigger ones are too big to put in there. So this is finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my tea light in and light it. And be very careful lighting. If you are a child, do not do this without your parent. With the wood everywhere, you have to be careful. But I would definitely use a lighter like this. And like I said before, make sure it's a tea light or a very small candle so the flame is not high enough to get anywhere near the wood. Okay? That's my PSA on that. I can remember how to light this thing. That would help. Okay. Okay. There's that. Let me go ahead and turn off the light so you can see it a little bit better. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. I just want to reiterate, just be very careful with the candle because obviously it's wood. And there's that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below. Follow me on social media and say hi. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.